This is an unboxing video for a Huawei tough rugged case for Huawei P10 Plus. So if you want a tough case, you have a few choices, but I found that the best case actually you can get if you have your telephone and you use it in harsh environments and you have to really have something to protect it. The best one is the Huawei. So I'm going now to open it and show how it looks. Okay, as usual, the Amazon delivered it very good. We ordered it last night and it was with us now in the evening of Saturday. This is Huawei. My wife bought it for me, so let us see what is inside, what color she has chosen. I have a feeling that she may have chosen something a little bit for herself, but anyway, you will see. Yeah, that's red. Oh, I like actually. I don't mind red. Red is nice. I'm going to open it. So I've now opened it. Oh, nice packaging actually. This is one of the best packagings I've ever seen for. Oh, that is a gem. Look at it. How nice. How classy. Oh, that's beautiful. And under it must be also the rest of the stuff. There are screws and screwdrivers and all the things that you need. Yeah, here. Lanyard. The best thing I've seen in the Huawei that I really like the cases for is they have a lanyard. That's extra protection. If you don't want your telephone, your valuable, beautiful telephone, don't fall and doesn't break, you need to actually have a lanyard. I wonder why not telephone manufacturer actually put a lanyard with their telephones. This is something essential. You have to do it. Like the cameras that they have a lanyard. This is mainly people use it for camera, not just for communication, for camera and other things. And it's very good to have a lanyard with it. So that is beautiful. I'm going now to put my telephone inside it. For that I have to unscrew the screws here, and with these screwdrivers that are inside, Allen keys, 1, 2 Allen keys are there, and a lot of screws also there, and the strap cleaning and another cloth for cleaning it. 2 cleaning it. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at it. Thank you, darling. You really bought me a good telephone case. Nothing better than Huawei. If you have a telephone and you want a rugged case, buy only Huawei. That's the best. Okay, with this Allen key, I've removed the screws. This is the top part of it. This is a silicone gel protecting protection pod, and that's metal. Look at that. All go together, and this is where the lanyard goes, and this is where the earphone is covered to protect this from dust. So beautiful. Also, this is for charging, covering the charging port. That's lovely. That's the best. And look at the beautiful metallic paint on this.